Welcome to our YouTube tutorial on how to copy your link in the X app. In this full guide, we'll show you the steps to easily copy your link and share it with others. Let's get started. To begin, open the X app on your Android device. Once the app is open, locate your profile picture at the top left of the screen. Tap on your profile picture to access your profile settings. Now, tap on your profile picture again. Next, you'll see 3 dots at the top right corner of the page. Tap on these 3 dots to open a menu of options. From the menu, select Share to proceed. A new window will appear with various sharing options. Look for the option labeled Copy URL and tap on it. This will copy your link to the clipboard. Congratulations! You have successfully copied your link in the X app. You can now share it with your friends, family, or anyone you want by pasting the link wherever you desire. Thank you for watching our tutorial. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides and tips. Happy sharing!